Wow, everything. Oh, look. Dorothy's imagining Elmo in a circus.
In a circus book. You can learn about cowboys from books.
Elmo's an old cowhand. Yippee-yay-yay! Cowboy Elmo roped a cactus.
Good roping, Cowboy Elmo.
Yeehaw!
You can learn about dragons and monsters from books.
I am a dragon.
Hello, Mr. Dragon. Sir Elmo's a monster.
A monster?
Bye, Mr. Dragon.
And that